Wow. Did you see the stock market today? Everybody was making money, but some people made a little bit more money than others. So I'm looking at our portfolio right now, and on Monday when the stock market was crashing, we invested in VGT, Vanguard's technology ETF. We bought 101 shares in one account and 48 shares in another account. So in total, we bought close to 150 shares at $491 a share. That's pretty good. The best part about this whole thing is that on Monday, unlike today, the stock market was crashing and VGT was down approximately 24% from its all-time highs. Now today, we've gained about 6 or 7% on our investment already. That's a significant amount of money, but it's something that we have been doing throughout this downturn. Hey guys, it's Aman from Our Journey, and on today's video, I am going to be talking about how we have been building wealth in this volatile market. It is a wonderful Wednesday in the stock market. The stock market is rallying, but the real story is what took place this past Monday when the stock market was crashing. You see, Christina and I looked at our investment plan. We looked at our watch list and we started to buy from our watch list. In particular, we invested a lot of money in VGT. And I want to emphasize our current investments in VGT to illustrate how we have built wealth with this ETF. And I'm also going to be talking about what happens to this investment when it drops and how it subsequently recovers because it is such a resilient investment. VGT, if you're not familiar with it, it is Vanguard's technology ETF. It invests in the tech sector. So it owns things like Apple, Nvidia, Broadcom. All of the tech companies are in this particular ETF. Well, because it's a technology ETF, it's relatively volatile compared to, let's say, a total stock market ETF. It can go up and down significantly more than just the S&P 500 or maybe some of the other sectors that are a little bit more traditional. But VGT is an ETF that we've talked a lot about on this channel because whenever the stock market goes down significantly, VGT is usually the leader when it does go down. It is the one that typically falls the most. And it's also the one that typically rebounds the most and comes back even stronger. And I'll give you an example of what I mean. So let's go back to 2022. After a down year in 2022, VGT was down 29.69%. The following year, it recovered by 52.66% in 2023. And in 2024, it gained another 29.31%. Just over the past 10 years, VGT has delivered an annualized return of 18%. That is incredible. And it has significantly outperformed the S&P 500 that is averaging about 12.4% over that same period. VGT epitomizes the resilience of the technology sector. Consistently buying it, especially in a down year, shows that in the upcoming years, you will be rewarded for your consistency. And so I'm sharing this video with you. I'm sharing what we bought so that you can see our thought process. And you should also recognize that when we are investing with a plan. And I hope you are too. And so congratulations to everyone that has been sticking to it. There's certainly going to be more volatility ahead, but that volatility presents great opportunity. And if you guys are interested in seeing how we are investing overall, if you want to see our complete investment portfolio in real time, check out our stock market investing course. We share all of our investments in that course. We give a link to our investment plan and you can see how we react to moments like this. It breaks it all down. And as usual, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.